gonna send this to him. No, come on. This is a chance for you to say what you have to say to him instead of writing these little notes.
Why? He don't write anything to me.
I know, maybe he will. Just say something. Say hi. Say hello, Anthony. Ashley.
Did you hear
Yeah.
Anthony sing over the intercom?
Yeah, that was so cute. Talk about Anthony.
Yeah.
What do they do?
Well,
Never mind. Say hi, Anthony.
yeah.
Hi, Anthony. That was a nice little How do you feel about Anthony? Oh, I love Anthony so much. Really?
Yo, I want to first figure out, I swear to God, on the internet. I want to curse some
You should send me the conversation when you're done. I want to see it.
No, but I think that's why he ignored me today. Because he didn't say anything.
I want to have sex with Anthony.
He forgets easily, I swear to God.
You didn't hear it, good.
What? Ew, you're sick.
You're the one that said it. Just now, you're like, oh, Anthony, I want to have sex with you.
I did not say that.
Me either. Me. You're like it was in my friends today. Ew. Hector?
Oh my God, that's so...
You liking stuff? Yeah.
No.
You gotta like it. He was standing behind the door in the lunchroom.
Hector?
Yeah, no, Hector. For some reason, and then I slammed it because I thought it was this other kid. I slammed it on his ribs.
He got in trouble today.
I felt bad. Okay, talk about Anthony.
I don't know, they're all in a letter. Teacher!
Here, we gotta do one of these. You try to look nice for Anthony. What?
I think Zach's in
Who cares? Who's Zach? Oh, Carson? Carson? He's got shaggy hair. He's real pale. He used to be a druggie. Still is a druggie. He's hot.